honest with yourself for a moment. When you're alone, do you rush through your pleasure like it's just another task to tick off your list? If you do, you're not alone. But that hurried habit might be quietly limiting the passionate connection and lasting confidence you could be enjoying with a partner. Your private time is actually the rehearsal for the main event. If you've spent years practicing the same quick mechanical routine, it's understandable why things can feel challenging when you're suddenly sharing the moment with someone else. The beautiful part is this: thoughtful little shifts in how you enjoy your own body can dramatically improve your stamina, hardness, control, and the sheer depth of pleasure you experience together. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 powerful upgrades you can start using right away. These changes will help you become a far more attentive and satisfying lover while unlocking richer pleasure for yourself too. Make lubrication your new best friend. Real as natis listes. Scientific studies confirm that proper lubrication enhances pleasure and overall satisfaction during both solo and partnered moments. If you've grown used to a firm, dry touch, switching to lubrication gives your body time to adapt. A high-quality silicone lube or a specially formulated cream for men will feel luxurious and make a real difference. Second, try using your other hand from time to time. It gently disrupts old habits and brings fresh awareness to your body, something that pays off enormously when you're with a partner. Alternate between hands during your session. Even this small switch keeps you fully in the moment and helps you break free from automatic routines. Third, give yourself permission to slow down. Rushing to the finish in a minute or two alone sets you up for the same pattern when excitement rises with a woman. Research on control techniques shows that spending 15 to 30 minutes focused on sensation creates lasting improvements. If time is short, either make more time or choose not to reach climax. You'll be glad you did. Fourth, awaken your entire body. Don't limit your touch to one spot. Explore your chest, nipples, inner thighs, anywhere that sparks feeling. Try a long warm shower, massage tool, or simply moving to your favorite music. The more you tune into your own sensations, the better you'll understand and respond to hers. That heightened awareness creates deeper, more mutual pleasure. Fifth, vary your position every session. Leave the usual chair behind. Lie back, stand, kneel, or try a comfortable bridge pose and notice how each change affects your sensations and control. This practice builds the versatility and confidence you'll want when you're sharing intimacy in any position. Sixth, learn the art of teasing yourself. Keep some clothing on at the start. Mastering this slow build helps you feel more intensely and naturally extend your time together. Seventh, explore edging. Bring yourself close to the peak, then ease back and let the wave settle before building again, 2 to 4 times in one session. Clinical studies on five-star climax. You'll develop real mastery over your responses and experience releases that feel far more powerful and satisfying. Protection dulls sensation for you. This is the smartest place to retrain your body to enjoy it fully. Add a little lubrication inside and outside. You'll feel more natural and confident when it matters most, keeping both safety and pleasure high. Ninth, introduce a toy. Sleeves, rings, or other stimulating aids can reveal entirely new sensations and help you become a more versatile and responsive partner. Caring for your own pleasure this way is a sign of maturity and commitment to better intimacy for you and for her. 10th, move away from pornography. Multiple research studies show that regular porn consumption can reduce real-life satisfaction and pull your attention away from your own body and partner. When you stay fully present with your own sensations, you'll uncover richer pleasure and bring that genuine presence into every intimate encounter. Begin with the ideas that appeal to you most, then gradually add the ones that feel more challenging. Consistent small steps lead to truly wonderful transformations. I'm Vivian, and I'm passionate about helping men like you become confident, skilled, and deeply satisfying lovers. Subscribe so we can continue this journey together. You absolutely have what it takes. I'll see you in the next video.